I was faced with a particular conundrum. What do you do when you crave the balm that only a freshly baked biscuit can provide, and yet you just don't have it in you to make, or frankly wait for, a full batch? I solved this by coming up with a cookie that answered all my deepest needs. Intensely chocolatey, sweet but not too sweet, and spikily enlivened by sea salt flakes. Now, the recipe makes just 2 biscuits, which is why I call them mine, all mine, sweet and salty chocolate cookies. Now, I start by mixing the dry ingredients together in a little bowl. And they are 50 grams of plain flour, 10 grams of cocoa, followed by 1/8 of a teaspoon each of baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and fine sea salt. These just need to be mixed together. In another bowl, I measure in 50 grams of soft unsalted butter, 15 grams of soft dark brown sugar, gloriously treacly, and 25 grams of caster sugar. Finally, I add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and cream it all together. When the mixture is the texture of soft, smooth peanut butter, I gently beat in the dry ingredients. And when the dough starts clumping together, I clatter in 25 grams of dark chocolate chips. Stir them in, and with my hands, form 2 fat patties. I sit these on a baking sheet, giving them space to spread out in the oven, sprinkle them with sea salt flakes, and bake them for just 12 minutes in a 180°C oven, or 160 with the fan on. They're ready when they're covered with cracks on top. And there's only one way to eat them, which is hot from the oven, so that the edges are crisp and the centre meltingly tender and riven with gooey nuggets of melted chocolate.